If you want to sell products from China to Amazon, eBay, Walmart and other online marketplaces, but you have some confusion, like is it possible to ship products from China to Amazon FBA, then you have come to the right place. Well, basically what happens, the FBA carriers comes to the US seller's address to find and collect the item for FBA shipments. But when you try to ship directly to Amazon FBA from China, is it possible? How can you do that? Yes, it is absolutely possible. But how? Let me break it down to you step by step. So stick with me till the end to get the full picture. Oh, and if you already missed the first part of this video, no worries. I'll drop the link in the description so you can catch up. Now let's dive into today's main discussion. This is Sakib and you're watching Ecomclips. Technically, when you will contact with the suppliers and you will purchase those items and now you want to ship those items to China from Amazon FBA. Now, you need to process some steps before ending this task. Otherwise, there will be so mess. So now you need to know what are those steps. Firstly, you need to know about the background and also the product knowledge and informations. Then you need to ask a few questions to verify the product and how to return the item and other logistics by the suppliers. I will give you the questions on the description, so don't forget to check it out after this video so that you can check and ask those questions to the suppliers and you will get the perfect answer, then select your supplier. Next thing, you need to provide and know what the payment method will be and how to process the payments. And lastly, you need to provide some information and files to the suppliers to process the FBA shipments. So let's start with what information you need to know. So first thing is to know the supplier information, supplier backgrounds. Is the supplier is sourcing the products or he is the real manufacturer of the product? So after you know these things, you can go for the next move. So first of all, you need to think about the supplier's background, product background. Is this supplier is a real supplier or he is an agent only? So these things matters when you will do a long-term relation with this supplier, okay? Secondly, now I am assuming that you already selected the suppliers that you want to go and grow the business with. So these suppliers need to answer you few questions like how the product material should be and many more type of questions that you need to ask and verify with this supplier, because you know prevention is better than cure. And I will drop all the questions that you need to ask to those suppliers before purchasing any item, and that will be in the YouTube description of this video, so don't forget to check that. And thirdly, the most important thing is the payment procedures. You need to think about this part. Some suppliers already have those amount of stock that you want to purchase. Some of them will say you that I will produce these items, then I will ship it to Amazon FBA. So in this two scenario, you can see someone is already ready to ship the item to Amazon FBA and some suppliers need a great lead time to ship the item to Amazon FBA. In that case, both of these suppliers will say you to pay 100% of the payment. But when you will see that suppliers need only 1 to 2 lead time to ship the item and process the shipment, then you can send him the 100% of the payment. But when a suppliers need at least 30 days or 20 days to produce the items, then you can't give them the 100% of the payment. Then you will ask the supplier, what if I send you 30% or maybe 50% of the payment, will you start producing the items? And I must say they will agree, because this is the process. Next, you should take the Alibaba assurance so that you can secure your payment, and also it will help you in the long run. When you will get some bad products, you can claim under this Alibaba assurance. Also, if the supplier is providing you some insurance, check it out, because insurance is a great way to claim refund. So think about it. If the insurance price is very low and it will not exceed your profit margin, then you should go with the insurance, and also don't forget about the Alibaba assurance. And lastly, the number 4. Now I already assumed that you know about the supplier background, the product background. You already verified all the queries you have in your mind, and now you already proceed the payment. So now you need to provide some information to the suppliers that I told in the video starting. So what are these information? These are the information of box label from Amazon FBA and also the ASIN label that you will generate from the Amazon Seller Central. You need to provide this information along with the reference ID and some other things that you will find on the description. So you need to provide those information to process the shipment, and Alibaba team will provide you the tracking ID that you need to put on the Amazon Seller Central backend. And that's how the whole process of purchasing and shipping the item to Amazon FBA ends. And in the next video, I will share with you a full process of Amazon FBA shipment creation that will be sent from China and will be shipped to Amazon US FBA warehouses. So that's all today, and we are a full service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience in e-commerce marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, and more than 30 other US-based marketplaces. And we are also managing more than thousands bestseller products worldwide. So why delay? Book a same-day consultation with us. We'll be happy to assist you. See you in the next video. Peace.